This sausage and apple tray bake is an absolute belter of a quick midweek recipe that's super flavourful and really easy to make. The first thing we need to do is make a sort of sauce, or like a kind of glaze really, for the tray bake. We're using mustard, olive oil and honey and some water. Just mix all that through and set it aside, and then chop up 2 red onions and 2 apples. You can use other things as well, but these are key and you have to use them. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Pop them onto your tray along with any other veggies that you want, and then pour the mixture over the top. Add some fresh thyme and rosemary, and then pop that in the oven for 5 minutes at 200 degrees. After 5 minutes, add some sausages. I'm using lean turkey sausages. You could use chicken sausages or pork sausages, and give it another 20 minutes and then it looks something like this. This is so good to cook in bulk and use it in salads, sandwiches, have it with rice, whatever you like. And if you want the full recipe for this, you can get it inside my recipes app, a link you will find in the description below.